In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Discord link to your YouTube channel. To get started, head over to your Discord dashboard. This is where you'll grab the invite link for the server you want people to join from your YouTube channel. Make sure you're on the correct Discord account and looking at the right server before you continue, especially if you manage more than one community. Once you're in Discord, click on your server in the top left corner to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Invite to Server. This will open the invite link settings for that server. YouTube viewers will use this link to join your Discord community, so this is the link you want to copy. Next, click Copy next to the invite link. That saves the Discord URL to your clipboard, so you can paste it into YouTube in just a moment. It's a good idea to double check that the link copied correctly before moving on. Now go to YouTube. When the page loads, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. This opens the account menu. From that menu, choose YouTube Studio, which is where you can manage your channel settings and customization options. Inside YouTube Studio, look to the left-hand column and click Customization. This section lets you control how your channel appears to viewers, including the links shown on your profile. In the customization area, find the link section and click Add Link. This creates a new link field that you can fill out. In the link title field, enter a simple name for the link, such as Discord. Keep this short and clear so viewers instantly know where the link will take them. Then move to the URL field and paste in the Discord invite link you copied earlier. Make sure the full link is pasted properly, because even a small mistake can stop it from working. A quick review here can save you trouble later. Once everything looks good, click Publish. This makes the change live on your YouTube channel so viewers can see and use the new Discord link. And that's it. Your Discord link is now added to your YouTube channel. If you don't see it right away, refresh your channel page and give it a moment to update. This is a simple but effective way to connect your YouTube audience with your Discord community and make it easier for people to stay engaged with your content outside of your videos.